Methodology. The proposed research aims to investigate if people with Down syndrome are less likely to have behaviors if they are provided with one-on-one care. Typically, people having Down syndrome without assistance tend to demonstrate aggressive conduct towards other people. Therefore, it is crucial to research if one-on-one care can make any changes. The sample is presented by 20 individuals with Down syndrome aged between 16 and 21. 10 of them receive one-on-one care, and the rest has regular treatment and assistance from medical staff. All participants in the study had moderate to significant mental retardation. Since the purpose of the study is to investigate if one-on-one therapy affects the conduct of people with Down syndrome, it can be claimed as an independent variable. In turn, the behavior change is a dependent variable. Before conducting the experiment, it is necessary to review any evidence related to the topic. After collecting theoretical data regarding the intervention of one-on-one care for a patient with Down syndrome, the experiment should take place. The group of 10 people will be provided with one-on-one care, while the rest of the participants will be guided by both their relatives and medical staff. The experiment is expected to last for 30 days, during which patients' mental activity will be evaluated in terms of the behavior they demonstrate. Hence, it will be possible to measure the dependent variable as a result of such interaction. The results of the experiment will be presented by measuring patients' mental activity within a specified period. Rationale. The proposed research will provide an understanding of how one-on-one care affects people with Down syndrome. By investigating the effects of Down syndrome, scientists can help improve the lives of those who live them on a daily basis. This will help with previous treatment, which can lead to changes in children's development, and find ways to help people with Down syndrome live healthier, happier, more productive, and independent lives. This search can also help identify the reasons why some of the conditions of people with Down syndrome are at higher or lower risk. Because of this, it can also help the tens of millions of people living with these cases. What is more, much is still unknown about the effect of a specific treatment of people with Down syndrome since their behavior is unpredictable in most cases. This investigation will help to establish if one-on-one care is eligible for patients with Down syndrome. It will also identify if this method can help alleviate patients' conditions and change behavior. It is said that aggressive behavior in patients with Down syndrome is likely to be violent and uncontrollable. Since one-on-one care is considered to reduce aggressive conduct, this hypothesis should be tested and proved. It is also indispensable to investigate if the therapeutic method is better than medical treatment since the former may worsen one's cognitive abilities while the latter can make changes. By experimenting, we may recognize the necessity of one-on-one care implementation in hospitals to assist people with Down syndrome. This will raise medical staff awareness and let them treat such patients differently. It is very probable that such an intervention will allow researchers to investigate the effects of this method more thoroughly or in combination with the other methods. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website, studycorgi.com.